Hey guys, I'm very excited to announce that Divi Maintenance Mode version 2 is currently available on the Elegant Themes marketplace. My team and I have been working on this for a couple months now, and we had released the demo version on the Elegant Themes marketplace just to get up and running. But now that this is complete, we have had it uploaded to Elegant Themes, and you can go ahead and purchase it. And I'm just going to run through some of the settings that we have here. So similar to the demo version, if you already have purchased it, it does have a coming soon and maintenance page mode. So for instance, here you can go ahead and you can select your coming soon page, or you can go to your maintenance and select a maintenance page. So the difference between the two, your coming soon, let's say you are working on a design for a client and you don't want that client to be able to access the site while you are currently working on it. You'll then set your coming soon. And then for maintenance, maintenance is, let's say you are doing a couple changes on the website and you just want a default placeholder to direct clients to just while they are viewing the site. Then you can set up a little maintenance page and redirect the users to those page. And we have set it up so that it does return auto 503, which basically just tells the search engines this is just temporary. We are currently doing work on the site. It should be available in the next couple of hours or so. And what I have also added to the version 2 mode is access. So one of the things that I have encountered when working with clients is you'd send them a page for approval. Let's say you've done the homepage, you just said, and they just ask for a quick update. So you go ahead, you send them the homepage, and then from there, they go and they access all the other links in the menu, which can be quite frustrating because then they want to provide feedback for those pages. Those pages are not complete. And you end up getting multiple emails from the clients asking for fixes, saying, why is this incorrect? When all you could have done is sent them a bypass token, and or you can temporarily disable any other pages. So you can see here, these pages stay accessible even while the mode is active. So for instance, you'd have your coming soon page. You'll then check, let's say you just want the client to review the home page. You'll just click on the home page. You'll then save your setting. And then if they were to try and navigate to any other page, they'll encounter the coming soon mode. Now, if you want the client to bypass all pages, you can then give them a bypass token. And they can then copy this token, this link right here, and then I'll keep a cookie in their browser so that they can go ahead and navigate to all the other pages. And once they've closed the browser or closed the tab, they lose that cookie and they'll then have to re-access the link, and which you can also regenerate. Let's say, for instance, you've sent it off to the client, they've reviewed it, they've given you the go-ahead to continue. You can then regenerate a new one so that way they can no longer access it via that link, but they would have to get a new link from you. And some of the other features is a schedule feature. So for instance, in the demo version that I had uploaded to Elegant Themes Marketplace, we didn't have a schedule. It was just a placeholder for text just to remind you when to actually or unpublish the coming soon page. Now we have a schedule. Now this is very cool because you can switch between the maintenance mode and the coming soon mode. So let's say, for instance, you want to go live at a specific date. You can then go ahead, you can set your coming soon, you can set your time, your date, and yep, I'll then go ahead and schedule the live for you. And this is it does check-in intervals of 15 minutes. So it isn't a live. So for instance, if you wanted to go live at a set time, you just set it 15 minutes beforehand. So that way, by the time it checks, it then sets that page live. And then I've also added some notification features. Now, I thought this was very important because then you can then notify the client when the page is live or when the website is live. And you'd go ahead, you'd add the emails right here. You can also add a Slack hook. If you don't know how to set up a Slack hook, I have a YouTube video on how to do it. Please go ahead and view that video. And something else is the analytics. Now, I wasn't too sure about adding this, but I did have quite a few people saying that it may be beneficial, so I did add it to the plugin itself. So this is just to show you the number of times someone's clicked on the site's coming soon page or try to access the site while you've been working in the coming soon mode, and does auto refresh every 60 seconds. So every minute it does a quick auto refresh, just tells you if there's anyone else that's been active on the site while you've been working on it. And when I say active on the site, I just mean if anyone's trying to visit your site while it's still in coming soon mode. And then we also have a developers tab right here. So from here, you can set up a Google Analytics, and as well as you can set whether you want it to ping or ping Google or whichever popular browser that most people use. It'll then just tell them when to recrawl your site. And yeah, I thought that was very beneficial. And then some people do want to use the WP-CLI commands. And if you are one of those people, I hope this will be beneficial for you. I personally don't really use them, but it was a requested feature, so we have added them into the plugin as well. And that's basically it for version 2 of the maintenance mode. And I hope you enjoy it.